Hey, what's going on, young CEOs? It's your boy, the Young CEO, back with another video. Today, we have a crazy day in the crypto markets. Today is a crazy day in the crypto markets. I repeat, today is such a crazy day in the crypto markets, right? There's been so much going on within the last 24 hours, and so much news has been released in the last 24 hours. There's a lot of the crypto markets has been completely volatile the last 24 hours. Coins are down 20%, 40%, right? And I did a video a while back on this, and I just wanted to say that I actually had marked up areas on the crypto charts, right, on certain coins that it's at that area right now, and some of the coins are actually approaching that buy area soon. All right, so this is not anything coincidental. This is something that I've been waiting for the couple past months, right? While people were buying high and buying at all-time highs when the hype was up, and nobody's talking about crypto right now. And to see that the psychological aspect of trading, and to see how people come in and all the hype, and when everything is at all-time highs, that hype is there as well, and people buying, saying other people to buy this, buy that, because the hype, right? No, like, we gotta go off of price action. We go off of price action. We go off of news. We go off of technical analysis, right? But there's been a lot of news drop, right? We have FTX, the FTX news that happened. We have Solana and Ethereum partnering with Google, right? That's huge. That's massive for the crypto industry. We have one of the number one Solana wallets has been liquidated, right, on SolSend or something like that, right? I think it's rumored that the number one Solana wallet was actually liquidated for $50 million, right? And that's a lot to take out the market. But there's a lot of things happening at this moment in time. There's so much going on, right? You have it's crazy. Like, it just exploded in within 24 hours, right? So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking you guys through a little walkthrough of what I seen in the markets. And I just want to explain to you guys, and show you, right, our areas and why I waited, as well as just give you guys a little breakdown of the markets and all the news that came out and stuff like that. I will be explaining that to help you guys further understand what's going on in the markets, as some people may be lost. But if you are lost, this video, stay tuned, watch this video. If you aren't lost, stay tuned to watch this video, because you're going to be learning something new. As well as the total market cap of crypto right now is sitting at $745 billion, right? Which we talked about that on a previous session. And like, all I gotta say is we're getting closer to where we need to be at for the crypto market cap. Where I see us, like, flooring out, right? Where I see us, basically reversing. So I think we're almost at the end of this bear market. Nobody knows when it's gonna go back up. Of course, nobody knows. That's not something that somebody could predict. Somebody can predict that, but it's not something that it's official that could happen. So I'm gonna be just going in to the total market cap. Let's look at the total market cap first, right? Actually, you know what? Let's go break down this news first, right? So FTX, right? What's going on with FTX? So Binance, right, was actually making a deal to actually buy and support FTX to actually help them liquidate, right, certain things. Now Binance actually came out. The article came out right today that Binance is actually backing out of that deal to buy FTX, and FTX may be actually forced to declare bankruptcy, right? So FTX is a huge exchange. There's a lot of people and a lot of coins that are being held on FTX. A lot of liquidity that's being held on FTX. People aren't able to access their funds and stuff like that. That's why you guys have to get a hard wallet, a cold storage wallet, right? You do not own your crypto if you have your coins on an exchange, or you just don't own you don't own crypto if you have your coins on an exchange, right? The only way you own your crypto is if it's in a cold storage wallet, right, or a hot wallet. But preferably make sure you have a cold storage wallet such as a Ledger, as well as, or a Trezor, something of that sort. Because if you do not have that, and an exchange, something happens, God forbid, something happens to the exchange, right? They declare bankruptcy. They can't liquidate. They can't, they can't do certain things, right? They do something illegal. They get shut down, right? You can't access those funds, right? Coinbase already came out and said that if something happened to them, they will be actually keeping your funds. So with that being said, you actually do not own your crypto on an exchange. So if you guys don't, make sure you guys get a Ledger wallet or a Trezor wallet, right? I will be putting a link in the description for you guys so that you guys could directly buy the Trezor or Ledger, and store the coins on the blockchain, right? And then you have your seed or whatever, your seed phrase or whatever, right? And make sure you do not lose your seed phrase, because if you do lose your seed phrase, you lose your crypto as well. So Solana, right? Solana actually did fall like around 43% within the last 24 hours, which is massive, right? I was actually expecting this to actually happen. Solana is an awesome smart contract platform. They actually just mentioned that they're doing a partnership. Google, Ethereum, and Solana Solana and Ethereum are the partners for Google, right? So they actually partnered up with Google, and they're moving forward with Google Cloud, storage, data, and stuff like that, which is massive for technology, right? Twitter registers ping. I just want to see what else came out as well. SEC investigating, FTX lending or whatever, right? So there's so much happening, right? There's so much going on within the crypto space. Do not be scared. Whatever you guys do not be scared. If you have funds in crypto right now, we're actually accumulating. I'm actually accumulating cryptos as they come into the area of interest that I'm looking to buy. Also, let's see what else we got going on here. Oh shit, really? Crypto.com positive withdrawals of USDC and USDT on Solana. So, like I was saying, if you do not own your crypto on exchanges, as you guys can see right here, Bitcoin actually fell to 2-year low as markets reels from FTX fallout. So, yes, it's from FTX, but also we were actually looking for Bitcoin, crypto, and stuff to fall to these levels that we want them to fall at, right? And this is the news that actually got it to where it has to make it fall, basically. But we were not expecting, but we were, we marked up our charts, and we were kind of expecting price to actually fall below where it previously was at, right? So I'm gonna go into the total market cap of crypto. Right now it's sitting at $744 billion in total market cap. So total market cap is where you want to actually look at. You actually want to look at your total market cap to see how much money is in crypto right now, right? So I actually marked this up a while back for you guys. Bam. So look at that. Right, so right now we're sitting at $744 billion. I'm actually going to anticipate this market dropping to around $400 billion, between $400 billion and between $500 billion and like around $430 billion. That's exactly where I want to see this market trade to, right? That's where I want to see the total market cap trade to, and that shows us that we have a very, very, very healthy retracement all the way back to this imbalance in this area, right? So this is healthy. This is all healthy for the market. Although the market is down right now, although the market is like it's double digits, like this is not just a small crash. This is like this is kind of a big crash, right? Like Bitcoin is literally sitting at like 15K, like, and it was like at 20K like last week. But 15K Bitcoin, right? You can't like that. Like that's something that people were literally praying for, right? So for the total market cap between 500 and 400 billion, right? So that's healthy for, I want to see price trade into these zones, and then we could see our work our way back up for the total market cap of crypto. Bitcoin, right? I want to go into Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is very interesting. This is very interesting, right? So like I said, I actually marked this up for you guys last time we were on talking about cryptos, right? I actually told you guys that we were actually in this zone for a while. We were consolidating in this zone for a while, right? And you know what happens after consolidation? Something has to to happen, right? Consolidation and accumulation. It's accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? And that's exactly what happened at this area of interest, right? So in this zone, we had accumulation, distribution, and now we're manipulating downwards, filling in these areas, right? So right now we're at 15,000, right? Anywhere between 12,000 and lower is exactly where I want to see Bitcoin come to. I want to see Bitcoin come to 12,000, between 12,000 and say possibly 8,000, right? Possibly, but between I want to see Bitcoin come anywhere between 12,000 and 12, between 8 to 12,000, right? That's exactly where I want to see Bitcoin come to and fall to. That shows healthy price action as this imbalance is actually getting filled right now, right? And that's one thing that I actually talked about. This is going to be leading for huge upside, right? This will lead for huge upside in the markets when it's time to for the market to go back up. If we get right now, the market is down. We have a lot of opportunities to seize in these markets as crypto is where it's at right now, right? We have a market that's actually becoming adopted, right? We have a market that's giving value and gives us technology that we never seen before, ownership that we never seen before, right? So like security that we never seen before. Like it's just like crypto and the blockchain brings a lot to technology that right now right now crypto is giving us the perfect opportunity to actually come in and invest early, right? Next we have Ethereum. We're sitting at 1,000. We're about to hopefully I want us to sweep these lows right here, come down into these areas, this imbalance, fill up this area, 600. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Right. So I'm waiting for Ethereum to actually sweep these lows, right in this area. I say we pass these lows, and then we trade below, and we trade into this area. Ethereum is gonna be a big one, right? I always talk about Ethereum and how Ethereum is basically my number one investment in the crypto space, right? I'm not a financial advisor. My videos are for entertainment purposes only, but I see Ethereum outperforming most coins, right? The technology on Ethereum and the way that a lot of things. You got NFTs, you got DeFi, you have the metaverses, you have there's a lot of things on Ethereum. You have governance, like there's a lot of things, tokens like layer 2s built on Ethereum's network. That is actually introducing new technology to the blockchain, right? So Ethereum is literally the number one coin that I'm actually looking at right now. And I want to see this bad boy trade to at least these zones, and then that's gonna lead us for huge upside, right? Like I said, in the past, Ethereum, if you go look at the bull run, like the previous bull runs, Ethereum is like literally one cycle, like around like one cycle behind Bitcoin, right? So what if this bad boy trades up to like 16,000 and you grab like 5 coins at 700, right? Or if you grab like 5 coins right now, like and it trades all the way up to 16,000, 17,000, because that's because Ethereum is essentially, if we look at the bull run, if we look at the cycle, the market cycles, Ethereum is tended to be like one market cycle behind Bitcoin, right? If you look at that, so like right now it's Black Friday, right? Right now it's Black Friday discounts all over the place. I'm I'm gonna be holding out on accumulating Ethereum until Ethereum actually sweeps these lows and we get below these lows, right? And right now it's actually the beginning of the month too. It's November 9th. And like we have the whole rest of the month to figure out. We have a lot of time within this candlestick period to see what's gonna happen to and the price action that it's gonna give us over these next couple of weeks. So now if you look over here towards the percentages, the change percentage, you see these are all double digit numbers. Like wasn't a small crash. This wasn't a small crash. There was a lot of news coming out within that past 24 hours, which gives us a lot of opportunity now, right? So the next thing I want to go over is Solana. Solana is like, guys, like I couldn't ask for a better gift. Solana is down 38% right now, and the fact that it's down 38% and it just announced a partnership with Google, that should tell us something, right? That should tell us an indication of something, right? You have somebody liquidated Solana, $50 million. It's rumored. It's a rumor that somebody actually, one of the number one wallets on an exchange, actually liquidated around $50 million in Solana. And then also you have I'm pretty sure there was something on Decrypt about Solana. What was it? You have the FTX news that obviously people can't withdraw and all that different stuff. You have a lot of people that actually hold Solana on FTX. Let's go to Solana real quick. So let's talk about Solana, as I wasn't already talking about it. But anyway, Solana is like, it does everything that Ethereum does. It's a fast blockchain. Solana's literally trading at like $15. The low of the day today was like $12, and the high, talk about all-time highs, like you talking about almost $260 per coin for Solana, right? And the supply is low. So, and the technology that it offers people on the blockchain, individuals on the blockchain, is legit, like technology, like smart contract Ethereum type of technology, right? So it has NFTs, it has DeFi, it has layer 2s on Solana. Like this blockchain is a growing blockchain. I'm not going to be overhyping this coin, of course, but I'm just letting you guys know that right now that it's sitting at $14 per coin, and all-time highs was just like $260 per coin, right? You get 100 coins right there. Like, you get 100 coins, and if you get 100 coins, right, say for example you buy 100 Solana coins, and that thing bad boy goes right back up to $260 per coin. That's almost $260,000 that you just made off of buying 100 coins worth of Solana, which is only 1,400, 1,000, like what, $1,500 right there, right? Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my words. Don't take my words and do your own research as well. I'm only here to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at and share my experience within the crypto markets, and to break down all the news, to break down what I see in the crypto markets, that that we're having this massive big red day in the crypto market. So I'm here to just relay information. Take it how you want it. But right now I have this area marked up for Solana. This candlestick, we still have between $12 and $6. That's where I want to see Solana actually trade into. We actually traded very, very close today to that area. I actually posted something in my Discord. For those who are not in the Discord, make sure you guys go add yourselves in that Discord, because I'm gonna start dropping, and I'm currently dropping a lot of value in the Discord. So that's in the link in the description. Make sure you guys go do that. I will be actually adding a lot of more things in there as well, so that you guys can use that as a resource. We have crypto, NFTs, the news that's coming out daily, weekly on crypto. I posted in that chat, so make sure that you guys are actually up to date with making sure that you guys are in that chat, because if not, you guys are missing out on a lot of value. Also, I will be actually coming out with guides and courses so you guys could actually help yourselves to, learning how to become, learning how to navigate these markets. Not like a, not, I don't want you guys to not be able to actually navigate these markets. I want to make sure that you guys know exactly what you're doing, right? And what coins to look at. What should you be looking at to invest? Where should you be holding your crypto? Um, what are the major things that we should be looking at in crypto, deciding what coin you should invest into, right? What not to invest into, right? Like certain aspects of crypto that I will be coming out with. Of course, um, I'm gonna be coming out with a guide, like a couple guides and courses on, you know, crypto. So make sure you guys look out for that, and it's going to be, I really want to give you guys value in a way that, it's very very valuable, and not just free information, of course, because I put free information on my YouTube, and the YouTube, it seems to be doing well. YouTube seems to be doing well. The information I put down on YouTube is legit, and it's helpful with me explaining what I'm looking at. So if I could bring more value to you guys through those guides and courses, that'll help you guys get to the next level as well. So that's actually one thing I wanted to announce. But looking at Solana, right, 38% down. Like, you can't get any better than this. This is literally Black Friday sale. So between this area, $12 and $6, that's exactly where I'm going to be looking at to actually put a huge chunk of capital into Solana. Right now I am actually dollar cost averaging into Solana as this thing falls, but like I said, you don't want to catch a falling knife. Please do not catch a falling knife, because you're gonna keep putting money, keep putting money, keep putting money, keep putting money. It goes lower and lower and lower and lower and lower, and you keep putting money, and you're asking why. You're asking yourself, what are you doing wrong, right? Well, you can't be over here catching a falling knife. Wait till it actually comes to your zone. Wait till it comes to your buy zone, and then that's when you decide how much capital you actually want to put into the investment, right? So we have Solana sitting at $14. Like, that's a steal. $14, $14 Solana. If you said that like a couple months ago, you know how many people would be literally like, "Yo, I'm about to buy this coin right now." Like, you said that a couple months ago that Solana was gonna be $14. You know how many people would have saved up? Exactly, right. Some people wanted to buy at the highs, right? Some people bought up here. Some people bought up here, right? Like, if I said today, like which I did say, and I actually did mark up this area. If I said that during December, literally like less than a year ago, right? Less than a year ago, crypto Solana was at like 238. If I said that a year later, Solana's gonna be at $14, just be patient, right? You know how many people would have saved up? Exactly. So stop rushing into things and actually start marking up things, because that's exactly how you're going to actually be able to become a profitable investor in these markets, right? I'm going to be actually including all that information, all the steps I look at, all the price action moves, price action, market structure, technical analysis, mental, the psychological state trading. I'm going to be including a lot of those things within this upcoming guides and course that I'm going to be putting out for you guys. So just make sure that you stay tuned on that, like I said, because there's going to be a lot of value. Chainlink's down 18%, Dot's down 14%, Illuvium's down 18%. Curve is a big one. Curve's a huge DeFi platform, decentralized financial platform, right? You could go in there and stake coins, stake cryptos that are on Ethereum. In Curve, on Curve's network, right? Curve's actually sitting at 55 cents, right? Curve's a big one. Curve's actually, look at this fib. Move Jones. All right, Curve 55 cent, right? The high was at $7, almost $7, right? And it has a lot of use case. Curve is literally a decentralized, not decentralized. It is decentralized, of course, but it's a DeFi platform, right? This DeFi platform. You have ADIVCE down 20%. Like, it's it just keeps getting better. Compound. You got 1 inch, engine, sand. You got sand. Sand's down. Sand's literally down 20%, sitting at 56 cents a coin. Mana, 45 cents a coin. Right? You have all these big cryptos that was actually being bought and had all this hype during the bull run, that right now it's all down and nobody's talking about it. Why is nobody talking about it? Why are you not in space investing, right? Because it was just a phase for y'all, right? The people that actually stayed and that actually took their time to be patient for crypto to actually get to these levels, and just do their research, right? The people that did their research, marked it up, actual investors, right? They're patient. These are the people that are actually going to be investing in the market and accumulating crypto right now, right? Starting right now. You have Algo, XRP, XLM, like all these ISO 222 compliant tokens as well. Like this, we could go on and on about crypto. There's a lot of things in crypto. There's not just about looking at the charts. It's not just about the technology. There's a lot of things to take into account about crypto, and like it's so much. It's just so much, right? But it's so simple at the same time because you look for the same thing each time, right? But like I said, I'll be talking about that in my course, OMI, right? I never mentioned OMI on my YouTube, never, right? But OMI is literally at I can't even tell you, it's less than a cent, right? But it's literally less than half of a cent, and this is a deflationary currency that's literally gonna have a lot of use case, right? They just came out with a OMI utility roadmap and exactly what they're gonna be doing. So, there's a lot of things. There's a lot of things that I'm excited for, and I don't want to get too hyper, but like these prices, these are Black Friday deals, right? You have IMX. I did a video on that last week. IMX is down to 40 cents a coin. You guys already know the use case on that, and if you guys were actually paying attention to the video, you guys would actually be looking at this coin right now and be like, it's a good area. It's a good buy opportunity, right? These are all good buy opportunities. ADA Cardano, 31 cents a coin, right? But like I said, guys, I just wanted to come on here and help you guys actually understand the markets. Do not be scared. This is not a time to be scared and fearful of the markets. This is the time to take action and actually, start accumulating and regaining that wealth that you always wanted, right? This is not like a guarantee thing. There's obviously going to be risk in crypto and risk in investing, but this is an opportunity of a lifetime that we have, like right now. And there's a lot of, like I said, there was a lot of news that came out. You have FTX, you have not just FTX, not just crypto news, but you also have the inflation rates. You have the the Federal Reserve lifting inflation rates, and it's crazy. Like the CPI data came out last week, so it's so much going on right now, and right now it's a perfect opportunity to actually get into the markets and learn and get your hands on some, some ownership, some crypto, if you look at the stock market is also down as well, right? Right now it's a great time to actually be an investor, and without further ado, I didn't want to actually make this a long video, but there was just a lot to explain, so I didn't want to rush anything. I wanted to make sure I got everything that I wanted to say out, and I wanted to make sure I break down everything properly. So a couple updates. Like I said, I will be coming out with a course and a guide for you guys to actually invest into, and with that, you're gonna get a lot of educational information on how you, instead of just relying on videos, how you could actually go into the market yourself, mark up charts, how you could actually go into the markets and understand what's going on with crypto, how you could understand crypto, just basic crypto knowledge, right? Like you guys have, as CEOs, right? As CEOs, as young investors, we have to take action into, learning how to invest at a young age, because school is not going to teach you that. School doesn't teach you how to invest, right? Certain things, you know, parents don't teach you how to invest. I'm not coming at anybody, but I'm just saying, like, that's something that you have to find within yourself, right? You have to find that investor in yourself, and that will be a resource for you guys to actually look into and grab. So um I'll come out with more details later on as the course gets done and the guys get done. So if you guys aren't, though, make sure you guys are in the Discord, because there's a lot of information in there as well, resources in there as well. If you guys have any questions or any comments, just hit me up on my Instagram is the young CEO, right? TheYongC30. So just hit me up on my Instagram. um is that basically, that's they pretty sure that's everything. But make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification button. Also, if you guys want to actually pursue getting funded as a trader, I am an affiliate of FTMO and my Forex funds, that I will be leaving that a link in the description. So if you guys don't know what funding is, like becoming a funded trader is, I could reach out to me. I'll answer questions. But if you guys are actually looking to get funded, I am an affiliate with FTMO and my Forex funds. I could help you guys get that set up and get your journey going. Without further ado, make sure you guys do your homework, do your research. Do not take my words for everything, because I want to make sure that you guys actually doing your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. My videos are for entertainment purposes only. So without further ado, I'll see you guys on the side of success. Peace.